to my channel. Thank you for stopping by, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Molly. This is my channel. It's about makeup and YouTube on things that are makeup related, and there's some tutorials thrown in and some hair tutorials thrown in, and yeah. Okay, now that my battery is corrected on my video camera, now we're going to jump into the bag, which, as it said 2 seconds ago, Glam Straight. And it's very satiny, it's very Gatsby 20s, as you can see. And we are going to jump into the first item in the bag, which is big. Woo! Okay, and this is from, it is from It Cosmetics, and it is their Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. Anti-aging armor regenerative concentrate. There's the package. Super ceramide complex, peptide infused, collagen, hyaluronic acid, antioxidant rich, colloidal oatmeal, quick absorbing, hypoallergenic, and allergy tested. Skin loving and anti-aging. Things I look for in a skincare product. Let's see. So, judging by the bottom of the container, you can see how much actual product's going to be in the package. Let's open her up, if I can. There we go. Smells good. There is the cream. Oh, just snaps on and off. Okay, I like that. That was item number 1. Number 2 is my perfume sample for this month, Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. Let's see what it smells like. It smells good. It smells really good. I really like it. I haven't been incredibly disappointed by any of these this month, since I've gotten these, really. Maybe 1 or 2, and it's because it just wasn't a spray. So yeah, that was item number 2. Try not to drop my box. Next item is by Bumble and Bumble. It is their thickening spray pre-styler. I don't know what that means. Spray pre-styler onto damp hair, then blow dry and style for lift. Oh, pretty simple, straightforward. Probably won't use this because I don't do that often. Pretty self-explanatory. Probably can't test that because it's clear. So that was item number 3. Item number 4 is from, it's from Makeup Forever. It is their Artist Rouge Cream Lip in C211. Okay, this is a lipstick. It is! Okay. Super cute baby packaging. As you can see, it says Makeup Forever right here. And then there is the lipstick. I will swatch it. Very pretty shade. Nudie tone. Love. I don't know much about Makeup Forever lipsticks. Sorry to say. But not afraid to try it. That was number 4. Moving on to number 5. And it's from Smashbox. Very sleek packaging. This is Cover Shot Golden Hour Eyeshadow Duo and Turned On and Psyched. How do you open it? Ooh, those are baby shades. There are the shades. There. Let's see. Let's swatch them. Very creamy. Pretty sure I already have that shade. Yeah, pretty sure I have that shade. Okay. There are the shades swatched out for you. The one next to the lipstick has a pink reflect to it, and it's very golden. It's very pretty, and I'm pretty sure I have one of those cover shots in the Golden Hour set, and it has that in there. Yeah. It has both of these shades in it, to be honest. So that's okay, though. It's still very pretty. It's a cute little thing. That was item number 5. Moving on to the last item in the bag. Is a sample of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Tried and true. Good stuff. Love the brush. Hold on. Love the brush. Love that hourglass shape. It's one of my favorite things about this mascara. Yeah. Pretty standard, staple. So all in all, this month's bag was really, really nice. I probably won't use the thickening spray. I will use the perfume. I probably will give the lipstick a try. The eyeshadow duo was really nice. The cream's really nice. Excited about that. Yeah, just great bag this month. Pleasantly surprised. That is all I've got for you guys. I will throw in an honorable mention, though, because I am loving this perfume by YSL, the Black Opium, and it's the glitter bottle. So that's a plus. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful holiday, beautiful year, and yeah, I will see you guys all very soon. Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget to click on one of the videos around me so that you can see more from my face, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Love you. Love you so much. You there. Love you so much. Goodbye.